Hurricane Sandy is on its way. Let's go take a look at some of the damages. Come on. Hurry up. Keep up. Come on, it's a hurricane. We're going to miss it. It started already. I don't know if we're going to make it. Jeffrey, behind me, you can see abandoned gas pumps. The fuel supply here has been totally obliterated. New York City is completely out of gasoline. Otherwise, there would be trucks parked for miles right here at this gas station. The situation is getting really dire as supplies dwindle to pre-1974 levels. I am here by the 25th Street Electrical Substation. Behind me, electrical transformers and capacitors that supply 72,000 homes with power. Now what's going to happen, the power is going to go out and we're going to have to get somebody to come down here and flip the switch back on to turn on the power for the rest of the community. So if any heroes out there would like to get involved, please contact me or the station. As you can see, the wind is really picking up. Behind me, you see the Sea Witch. It's the largest boat in South Brooklyn. It's capable of holding up to 60 to 70 passengers at one time. It's used to shuttle booze back and forth across the Gowanus Canal.